Have you ever stopped to consider what resilience in the business world looks like? If you were to put it into a tangible form, it might very well take on the shape of a Caterpillar bulldozer. With its stock reaching an all-time high of $288.65 recently, it's evident that it isn't just about numbers. It's about legacy, challenges faced head-on, and an uncanny ability to adapt and evolve. So what's behind this growth? Caterpillar's strong balance sheet and consistent dividends are certainly part of the allure for investors. But is that all? In the fast-paced world of the last decade, while many companies sought expansion, Caterpillar made a strategic move. They optimized. By effectively improving their manufacturing processes, they managed to produce more with less, a testament to their commitment to efficiency. Did this move pay off? Well, industry insiders seem to think so. Many have taken note of the improved quality in Caterpillar's products, which says a lot. And about those rising commodity prices, they're not just random numbers, they're indicators of increased mining activity. It's akin to a dinner bell for Caterpillar, signaling them to roll up their sleeves and get to work, capitalizing on their dominant position in the mining equipment realm. As for the numbers, Caterpillar's earnings grew by 23.7% over the past year and are forecast to grow more than 5% per year. Regarding the risks, the company carries a significant amount of debt. However, the real concern with debt emerges when a company struggles to settle it, either by attracting more capital or through its operational cash flow. Caterpillar's financials indicate a strong capability to manage this debt. While they might be embracing a bit more risk, it's primarily to amplify returns for shareholders, a promising prospect if you're holding their stock. When you hear Caterpillar, do you instantly picture construction sites filled with hefty machinery? You're not alone. Yet, the company's portfolio is far more diverse. From mining equipment to diesel and natural gas engines, they've spread their wings wide. This diversification is crucial as it cushions them against downturns in any single sector. However, when we talk about the heavyweights and heavy machinery, Caterpillar is usually the first name that drops. But it's not alone in the ring. Take John Deere. They're big on tractors and farming, sure, but they've also got a strong footing in construction. Their brand vibe, pretty much in the same league as Caterpillar. Over in Japan, there's Komatsu giving everyone a run for their money in the earth-moving game. If this was a race, Caterpillar would be slightly ahead in global construction equipment share, with Komatsu hot on their heels. That same dance plays out in the mining arena. And while these two are busy locking horns, there's a whole crew of smaller manufacturers, especially from up-and-comers like China, looking to make their mark. Peering into the future, Caterpillar has its sights set on innovations on the brink of major growth. By embracing new technologies, they're not just enhancing customer experience, but also carving a unique niche amidst their competitors. Imagine machines that can be operated remotely or even ones that can work autonomously. Now, consider industries like mining and construction. They seem tailor-made for this leap into autonomous tech. Given the controlled nature of their job sites, the transition becomes not only feasible but also safe. From the beginning of time and periods of financial instability, everyone has sought the most secure way to store their money. Switzerland has proven that no matter what, Swiss banks will always keep your money safe. Switzerland is so confident in its banks that it even guarantees to return up to 100,000 Swiss francs to every client in the event of a bank collapse. People used to think that only the super rich could afford to have a Swiss bank account, and that the only way to open one was to fly to Switzerland on a private jet and meet in person with a bank manager. Well, that's not true, not anymore. Swiss bank Decoding offers its services to everyone. Not only can you easily open an account fully online, but it's also absolutely free. There's no monthly fee, no minimum deposit requirements. You can enjoy an IBAN in 23 currencies, plastic and virtual cards, one-click investments, saving accounts, blockchain operations, P2P exchanges, and many other features with your Decoding bank account. No matter where you are, if you have your ID card or passport with you, the entire process will take about 5 minutes. Simply scan this QR code or use the link in the description, fill out the form, and then make a video call with the bank operator or scan your document with the back of your phone if it's compatible. That's it! Your Swiss bank account will be active the same day. Moving on. The future poses questions. How will the rise of automation and electrification impact Caterpillar? With competitors like Komatsu already showcasing electric vehicles, is Caterpillar at risk of trailing behind? Electrified machinery offers some tempting benefits, from that instantaneous torque response to promise a more straightforward automation. Could this sway the loyalty of their customer base? Then there's the broader construction industry forecast. A projected market value of $334 billion by 2030 sounds promising, but with Caterpillar's significant market share, where's the room for growth? Their leadership status is a double-edged sword, offering both security and the challenge of potential saturation. In the realm of energy and transportation, Caterpillar grapples with formidable rivals. Besides that, at the heart of this segment is the bustling oil and gas scene, where Caterpillar's generators play a key role in turning those fossil fuels into energy we use. Now, the recent conflict between Russia and Ukraine shook up energy prices, giving Caterpillar and its peers a surprise boost in sales. Much of this boom came up from the scramble to make up for the lost energy sources. But here's where the plot thickens. The world's eyes are set on a net zero energy goal, which means we're slowly but surely moving away from the fossil fuels. While that's great for Mother Earth, it does make one wonder about the potential hit to the Caterpillar's pockets in this area. Inflation rates and economic uncertainties might be inevitable speed bumps, but they're not roadblocks. Amidst these challenges, one fact stands out. Caterpillar remains a pivotal player in global infrastructure projects. Here we showcase major infrastructure initiatives, commonly referred to as megaprojects, that are either under discussion or already in the development phase. Additionally, you can review financial forecasts for Caterpillar's stock provided by industry experts. Examine them closely, but always bear in mind that all investments carry risks. We're not dispensing financial advice. It's crucial to make your own informed decisions. Do you see a future teeming with mega projects that demand a ton of heavy machinery? Or is the global community suddenly pausing significant construction undertakings to focus on other urgent issues? Despite some challenges, Caterpillar's role in upcoming global infrastructure projects remains promising. While Caterpillar's past illustrates its adaptability, its future will depend on how swiftly it embraces technological changes and market shifts. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned and take care.